British Shorthair Cats. British Shorthair Cats have a very calm temperament. They can become affectionate and loyal once a rapport is established between the cat and the cat owner. They are generally larger than other breeds of cat. British Shorthairs are most commonly known for their dense, plush coat and muscle density. They could be also characterized by their face with orange eyes and pointy triangular ears. The British Shorthair ancestry can be traced back as far as the ancient Egyptians and the Roman Empire. Since appearing in Britain after the Roman invasion, these ancestral cats have been roaming the British streets and farms as feral cats. This is until a person called Harrison Weir, who is considered to be the father of cats, began to focus on the British Blue variety, even featuring one at a cat show at the Crystal Palace in London. The popularity of the exotic Persian cat nearly wiped this breed out, although crossbreeding between the breed created the British Longhair. By the end of the Second World War, British Shorthairs were almost extinct. Today, British Shorthair cats are the most popular cat breed in England and the 5th most popular cat breed in the world. British Shorthair cats live anywhere from 15 to 20 years when kept indoors and taken care of by proper grooming, diet, and exercise. British Shorthair cats require a high-protein diet. With this diet requires extended sleep periods to digest the food. These habits include their inclination to sleep for most of the day, especially when they are fed and in a cozy spot. Most cats sleep around 10 to 16 hours in a day. Some cats are known to sleep up to 20 hours. Since they are quite reserved and inactive at times, this can lead to long-term health issues such as obesity. Like other cats, they are fed mainly on proteins and fat. Carbohydrates won't do anything for them except make them turn into an overweight cat. Too much salt is also bad for the British Shorthairs, as it is also for humans. Some claim that raw meat will make the cat's hair silkier. These cats should not be overfed and should involve times for stimulation and play. The British Shorthair can easily become overweight, so their diet needs to be closely monitored. British Shorthairs require daily brushing to remove their dead hair and tidy the appearance of the cat's short, dense coat. Even Shorthairs can get knots in their coat if not brushed regularly. Today, the British Blue is one of the most popular colours of the British Shorthair cats. Over the years, more colours and patterns were introduced to this breed. These feline creatures require a consistent approach to care. British Shorthair cats can have different habits in comparison to other cat breeds. For example, they love free-flowing water as a drinking source, and they can often form a habit of not covering up their cat litter. I love cats. Here you can see my British Shorthair cat Chippy. She is doing some of her daily routines. Chippy enjoys being fed dry food, raw meat, and treats. She is very much a low-maintenance pet. Love, care, and play is what a cat of this breed needs.